There he is, Omar Briones of the Infopreneur Agency. So, thank you. Next week.
Cool. Welcome everyone. Thank you all for being here, and thank you for sharing the next hour and a half with us. It's really, really awesome. What's going on? What Mike is doing here? Giving you a shout out. Thanks for doing this. This is going to be like revolutionary. The new economy is already here. It's causing a lot of change in the world for entrepreneurs. We need to adapt and actually learn the skills and get the tools we need to really thrive in it. All right. So I'm sure you all know, you've heard of like Airbnb and what else? Airbnb. All these apps, it's part of the shared economy where people can, ordinary people can become entrepreneurs and just rent out their homes or rent out their cars, do all kinds of cool stuff. These are multi-billion-dollar companies. Meetup was just acquired for several $1 million from WeWork, and it's just these are the types of apps and types of businesses that are going to thrive for the next coming years. So one of the things that Mike wanted me to share talk about is my agency, Infopreneur Agency. If you want to know, just to give you a background, I've been marketing online for the last 10 years. So that's like my background. I've done a lot of sales funnels and product launches, helped over 1,000 clients set up their funnels and marketing campaigns. So that's like my background. And putting it together now with the new economy, because of all the changes, what I've done to adapt to this new world is bring all of my mentors, all of my connections, the people in my network, to share our resources with each other and help anyone basically become a total rock star and leader in your industry using info products. So how many of you know about infopreneurship? How many of you know? So is this really one person? And Sunil? Awesome. Okay, cool. So how many of you are actually in business right now for yourself? Raise your hand, please. Cool. How many are not in business right now? Cool. And for those of you who are not in business, are you do you do some kind of service? You offer a service, or you just have a job? What is it? I mean, is it a job or?
Education.
Oh, right on. Cool. Perfect. So you're already an infopreneur then. All right. So so anyway, point is, whether you're in business or not, you can use infopreneurship to get more referrals, get more clients, get more people in your network, just by, for example, creating a video or a podcast. Just start talking about whatever your favorite topic is, and or whatever your business is. People will start subscribing, people will start watching and following you, and start building your network that way. And little by little, especially using the resources that we offer at Infopreneur Agency and the New Economy Chamber of Commerce, we can just totally hook you up, get you on, AM, FM radio, and speak all over the stage, have these events at WeWork. I mean, whatever you want to do, you can become that authority in your industry with the help of the New Economy, Chamber of Commerce, and Infopreneur Agency. So one thing I want to just mention real quick, like I said, we have our mentors, which what I've done is put all my mentors, all my people in my network to provide to you guys, and it's totally free, 100%. These are world-class mentors, people who worked with the very best of the best in the world. So they're going to be teaching you how to become an industry leader in the next year. And we have bi-weekly webinars. They're totally free to attend. If you guys have opted into, you've signed up for the list, you will be getting notified. I'm going to give you an invitation link to these awesome webinars. And usually these cost about like $1,000 to $2,000 just to consult with these mentors. So you're getting really high-level training. A few of you have actually been on them, so they can attest to that. But anyway, all right. Is that good? Is that time? Awesome. Thank you, everyone. Yeah.
How many have been to our free time Saturday webinars? There. Okay. We have a lot of fun. We share a lot of information, and we have dubbed ourselves Friends in Commerce. So we're all about helping each other to, earn new money in the new economy.